Welcome to Plus Wellness and to our series on the fascinating world of gut microbiome. I'm your host, Dr. Padma Ramurthy. In our previous episodes, we had talked about how your gut microbiome is a unique and dynamic community influenced by numerous factors from birth to adulthood. By understanding the composition and influences of microbiome, we can take proactive steps to support its health. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of gut microbiome and exploring a crucial element that significantly impacts our overall health: short-chain fatty acids, or SCFA. The gut microbiome serves many functions in our body. But how exactly does it benefit us? What are the key molecules produced by gut bacteria that play a major role in gut health? The answer lies in short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids are produced when gut bacteria ferment fiber in our food. So what are short-chain fatty acids? They are a group of fatty acids with fewer than 6 carbon atoms. That's why it's short. And the most common types are butyrate, propionate, and acetate. So these short-chain fatty acids are produced by the beneficial bacteria which are residing in our gut, such as bacteroids, Faecalibacterium species, Bifidobacterium species, Lactobacillus, Ruminococcus, and the list goes on. When these bacteria ferment the fiber from our diet, they produce these SCFA, or the short-chain fatty acids. Now, what does this do? This short-chain fatty acid serves as a vital energy source for our gut lining cells, which are called the colonocytes. Yes, you heard it right. These bacteria are helping us by fermenting the fiber and producing molecules which are the energy source or the currency for our gut lining cells. It's like having a machine in our gut which helps with the hard job of extraction and digestion of fiber and producing a ready-made energy. Butyrate in particular is the primary fuel for our colon cells. These colon cells in turn produce mucus and forms a mucus layer which serves as a barrier in our intestine, not allowing the harmful bacteria to get into our. Butyrate is not just an energy source, but also has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Short-chain fatty acids are thus helping improve gut health by maintaining the integrity of our intestinal barrier, promoting mucus production, protecting against inflammation, and even reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. So, how do the short-chain fatty acids work? Well, they work by binding to G protein coupled receptors. Let's just say receptors, which are found in various cells throughout our body, including the gastrointestinal mucosa, immune system, nervous system, and various other systems. When the short-chain fatty acids bind to these receptors on various cells here, what do? They stimulate the production of various secretions which are good for our health. For example, in the colon, binding of short-chain fatty acids to enteroendocrine cells stimulate the secretion of hormones like glucagon, like peptide 1 or GLP-1, and peptide YY. Or PYY. In the pancreas, this signaling can increase the secretion of insulin. Now, GLP-1 is again very good and helps with the glucose metabolism. But the benefits of short-chain fatty acids are not confined just to the gut. These molecules can enter the systemic circulation and reach other tissues where they can activate, for example, brown adipose tissue. They regulate the liver mitochondrial function and contribute to whole body energy homeostasis. In fact, about 500 to 600 millimoles of short-chain fatty acids are produced in the gut daily, depending on the fiber content of the diet, and also our microbiota composition and the gut transit time. One of the most well-documented effects of short-chain fatty acids is also on our immune system. Butyrate, for instance, can induce regulatory T cell differentiation. T cell is one of our immune cells, and that helps in regulating these T cells, and it controls the inflammation. Short-chain fatty acids also play a pivotal role in the microbiota gut-brain axis. They can cross the blood-brain barrier and help maintain its integrity. So no bad organisms and molecules enter our brain. So blood-brain barrier integrity is crucial for brain development and central nervous system homeostasis. For those dealing with inflammatory bowel diseases like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, butyrate's anti-inflammatory properties can be particularly beneficial. Studies have even shown that supplementing with butyrate-producing bacteria can significantly increase butyrate production and improve epithelial barrier integrity, which is essential for managing these conditions. Short-chain fatty acids also play a role in regulating blood glucose levels, improving insulin resistance, which is crucial for managing type 2 diabetes. Moreover, short-chain fatty acids influence fat metabolism by increasing fat burning and decreasing fat storage, and they've been shown to even reduce cholesterol levels by lowering the rate of cholesterol production. So now that we know all the benefits of short-chain fatty acids, how do we make sure we produce more short-chain fatty acids in our colon? Many factors influence the amount of short-chain fatty acids in your colon, including the number of microorganisms present. That is, the more butyrate-producing bacteria in our gut, the healthier we are. And also depends on the food sources available and the transit time it takes of the food through your digestive system. Eating fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, and legumes, which are the food for the bacteria to produce or to synthesize short-chain fatty acids, is also very essential. So, what are the best types of fiber food for short-chain fatty acid production? 1. Inulin. Inulin is a compound which is found in artichokes, garlic, leeks, onions, wheat, rye, asparagus. All these vegetables contain inulin, and that's a very good source of fiber for short-chain fatty acids. Similarly, fructooligosaccharides present in bananas, onions, garlic, again, these are good. Resistant starch found in grains, barley, rice, beans, green bananas, legumes. Pectin available in apples, apricots, carrots, and oranges. Additionally, some types of cheese, butter, and cow's milk also contain small amounts of butyrate. The communication between microbiota, the microorganisms, and its mammalian host, that is, us, is mediated through various mechanisms, with short-chain fatty acids being a critical component of this interaction. These biochemical messengers are involved in immune function, in our gastrointestinal function, our metabolism, and even the development and homeostasis of our central nervous system. By understanding the importance of short-chain fatty acids and incorporating fiber-rich foods in our diets, we can support our gut microbiome and improve our overall health. So let's make a conscious effort to eat foods that boost butyrate production, the short-chain fatty acid production, and enjoy the wide-ranging benefits of these remarkable molecules. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more insights into the